All right, this will be the second part of the Algebra 2 Unit 6 Lesson 4 video. Just wanted to go over the review questions for you guys real quick, because I know a lot of this stuff is back in the recesses of your algebra minds. So 3 review questions here. The first one is dealing with absolute value functions. They want you to choose the correct graph. So what's really cool is that the Desmos graphing system will graph absolute value functions. So let me show you how you type those in. So we go to Desmos. We're going to do y equals, and then there is a button. Close this, get this out of the way. There's a button right here that has A with 2 bar vertical lines around it. That is the absolute value symbol. So when you hit that, your cursor is now inside the 2 bars, and you can type whatever you want. So we can do x minus 6, and then I can go outside of it and do like plus 3 or whatever. So you can see it then graphs the absolute value function. It even identifies that point right there. You can see this is how you're going to type it in. So you can do that yourself with the question in the lesson. Again, it's the button here with the A inside the vertical lines. And just type it exactly as it appears, and then look at the graph and see which one fits the graph of that function. Next, find the product. So this is going to be a matrix question. Very simple. When you multiply a matrix times an individual number, we call this a scalar multiplier. When you multiply by a scalar, you just multiply each number inside the matrix by that number. So -2 times 1, -2 times 3, -2 times 5, -2 times 2, and so on. You multiply all 6 of those numbers by -2, and the resulting matrix is those 6 numbers. So I think you can handle that. Lastly, what is the equation of ellipse? This is dealing with identifying the different equations for what we call conic sections. So I have posted in the notes a little diagram telling you what the different graphs look like. Circles, ellipses, hyperbolas, and parabolas are the 4 options, and each one of these represents one of those graphs. So you need to find which one of these matches the graph of the ellipse. I'll just show you real quick what that looks like. That's right here. So this shows you what the standard form looks like, and you should just look at them and notice the differences between them. I'll just say right now, ellipses and hyperbolas have fractions. Circles do not. Ellipses have a plus sign in between. Hyperbolas have a minus sign in between the fractions, and they all have squared on both of the x and y parentheses. I think you'll be able to figure it out if you just look carefully at these. And so that is it for those review questions. And we'll pick up with lesson 5 here